Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and choosing Final Cut Pro commands Customize so you can edit shortcuts safely. You should create a new custom set right away. That prevents overriding defaults and makes rollback easy. Once the layout appears, use the search field to find the command you want, because spotting it visually can take too long. Make sure to keep the command set named clearly so you know it's your custom configuration. You now pick a command and press the key combo you want. Final Cut Pro shows the assignment immediately. If a conflict appears, don't ignore it. Either reassign the other command or pick a different combo so you avoid unexpected behavior while editing. Use modifier keys like Shift, Option, and Control to widen available combinations and reduce accidental triggers. Once done with a few assignments, test them on a short. You finish by saving your custom set and exporting a backup so you can restore it later or move it to another machine. If shortcuts don't take effect immediately, restart Final Cut Pro and re-import the saved set. That resolves most cache-related issues. If problems continue, revert to the default layout, then reapply your changes one command at a time so you can pinpoint the conflict. This systematic approach prevents lost time and keeps your workflow stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.